Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best smart locks in 2023. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5. Lockly Secure Pro. While we think we've made our point about its size, we're not saying it's ugly. In fact, in this case, big is beautiful. This is probably the best looking door lock we've had the pleasure of testing, and we've tested a fair few. With a sleek, smooth metal exterior, we tested satin nickel. It also comes in Venetian bronze and matte black. Its digital touchscreen stays unobtrusively black until you tap it to see the numbers, and the keyhole cover completes the polished, modern look. Number 4. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro. The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is a complete lock assembly that replaces your interior and exterior lock components, as well as your deadbolt, latch, and strike. It looks identical to the earlier version, and the black and silver zinc alloy exterior escutcheon measures 2.9 by 2.9 by 1.2 inches HWG. It features a circular, backlit 0 to 9 number pad with a 360-degree capacitive fingerprint scanner in the middle and an Ultraloq button at the bottom, which you can use to lock the door or illuminate the keypad. An LED ring around the scanner turns green when the door is locked or unlocked and glows red when you enter an incorrect PIN or an unauthorized user tries to use the fingerprint scanner. Number 3. Level Bolt. The level bolt is made for those who want a smart lock, but don't want others to know they have a smart lock. That's because all of the level bolt's smarts are hidden inside your door. From the outside, it looks like nothing has changed. In fact, you can use your existing deadbolt just as before. Number 2. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. You'll get Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa smarts, and while there isn't any HomeKit compatibility and you can't use voice unlock with Google Assistant, the lock performs well otherwise. Number 1. Level Lock. Open your door with a touch. It sounds like something from the Jetsons, but it isn't. The Level Lock Touch Edition does just this, working with the Level Home app to make opening the front door easier. When it is all set up, you can unlock the front door with the touch of a finger.